What happened to your shoes? Oh. May ganyan talaga. May anak pa lang stress.
Hello guys! Ayan, namit ko yung mga kaibigan ni ate. Ayan sila. Pero ako lang yata ang kasaway na kaibigan ni ate dito. Ayan sila mga boy. Mga ano sila, mga masunurin sa amo. Ayan, ako kami.
Oh,
Ayan, si Iwan.
yes. I feel dizzy because of turning away.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I am dizzy because I have accident.
If we feel hot, then we can explore the Swedish also.
So we are here in Taipu. Taio.
Yeah, listen.
Surrounded by high and beautiful mountain.
Yeah, the another this one. To cliff. Yeah. We can. Let's go. No,
Wow.
we
We don't have a rope where we climb there.
have. Sin?
Oh.
She bring already. She bring.
Wow, very good.
No, but I.
Ayan si Wiwit.
Hi.
Yan. Apa kabar hari ini?
Kita goreng kari goreng ya nanti.
Kembali.
Sini mah been the Fusan also over there. You know the building point. Yeah. Yeah. Also we can explore that and Coleman Rock too. Yeah. We just see the highlighter.
Yo.
Lah satir ada tadi. Again I put.
Face at me, Diwan. Face.
Hi.
Oh yeah.
But I didn't on.
Is it not on?
Just a minute. Don't run. Wait. Take the picture here. Group picture. Yeah. We have group picture here. Sin. Lean, come.
Group picture. Okay, wait.
Yeah. Yeah.
And ako guys, feeling drawn.
Actually, we is still ate, right? Please.
Yeah.
Miss you, ate.
I want to jump here. Just video.
Wait. Okay, 1, 2, 3, jump. Again.
Just video there. Picture. 1, 2, 3.
Let's see. Wow, this one. What is fun? Let's see.
You want?
No, that's good. Okay. Slow mo. Just clear. Tuloy ka na tuloy. Patuloy ka na. Patuloy ka na.
You have funny eyebrow. So yan po guys, after namin ng tulay, dito kami kumaliwa. Kumaliwa kami dito. Kikita namin to. Yan. So diretso lang po. Beautiful flower.
I carry it to go home.
Ay, ang bango naman ito.
Yeah.
Ayaw. Ayaw ko. Talong, talong po kayo dyan guys. Talong, talong.
Talong talong.
Talong. So ayan po guys. Mansyong po araw, susundan po namin. This way. Ayan po guys. Binaybay namin ang road na eksita ng Mansyong po. Super kapoy.